So now you're going to click on Create a Sprint. So let's talk about that. So here's the button. You click on Create a Sprint. So here is the blank space. And you have instructions. It says drag these issues to the sprint. So let's say the team decides, well, we have capacity in this sprint for these 4. So I'm going to highlight all 4 of them together and drag them all together. You notice there's still 2 left in our backlog, which is fine. They'll be waiting for us when we're ready for backlog refinement and the next sprint planning. But right now we have we've planned the first sprint. So you have options right here. You'll notice the drop down. Those are sort of extras. I typically don't use those, but you can if you want. Now we're going to start the sprint. So I'm clicking on this button, Start Sprint. It says, is this the name that you want? I'm like, sure, why not? It's going to suggest a duration, but you can choose a different duration, 1 week, 3, 6, whatever, or custom. And then it's going to fill in the dates. Now, as you may know, it's a really good practice of Scrum Masters to have a sprint goal. So I'm going to say the goal of this sprint is to practice Jira, which it is. And now down here, I'm going to click on Start, and you'll notice that it tells us there's 5 working days in the sprint. So that's convenient. So I'm going to click on Start. And like magic, it has created an active sprint for us. And you'll notice on the left, we're in the active sprint button or area for Jira. And we have 3 columns, to do, in progress, done. You can change those columns if you want, like if you want to add a WIP limit to in progress. You can use these buttons. We're not going to do that right now.